And welcome back to Real Man's Garage. We're in the backyard again, a little bit later in the day today, and we've got the Hubsan Ace 2 with on the 8.4-inch iPlay Mini 4 Pro. I got drones on the mind here. The Alldocube iPlay 70 Mini Pro 8.4-inch tablet. Trying it with the Ace 2 from Hubsan. It's a tricky thing to get into because this is a temporary no-fly zone. I don't get it. It's a glitch in the app. I don't know why it does it. I can go down the road and fly no problem. Everything else flies. I don't know what it is. So let's just get this up in the air and let's see what happens because I can fly it now. I've got my, just in case. There it is. Okay. Okay, let's turn it around. There we go. Okay. Yeah, it's not settling down yet. Well, it's settled down a little bit. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, let's turn it around. That's pretty quick. Okay, up we go. And forward. This is a one-inch sensor, and we're up at 25, 30. There we go. It looks really good. It looks really good. It really does. If I can get rid of that temporary fly zone thingy, that'll be really good. Okay, stop that video, and we're going to take a picture because we can. Okay, and our picture settings are, there's our picture settings, go down at the bottom here. Our picture settings are, yeah, they're just the 8 ones, okay, low, blah, 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 blah. Got everything in the middle, no problem. I'm just gonna leave it stock. There it goes. And we've got the EV at 0, I believe. Let's just take a picture. There we go, take a picture. Back to the video, okay? And we're gonna continue this video now. Here we go. And we can bring this down a bit, there we go. The EV's at 0, look at that, eh? Beautiful. It is really nice. It's really a nice camera when it works. So there's your thirds. Okay, so let's just go out this way a bit. Between the houses. Oh, I hear a Harley. I hear a Harley. Where's the Harley? Boom. Here's a Harley. There's a Harley. Boom. Why do I know it's a Harley? Because most of my life, I've ridden a Harley. And there we go, down the road. The Harley goes down the road. And we're up at 42. There he goes, eh? He's driving on the wrong side of the road, but that's okay. That's where he's going. Okay, well, there we go. Didn't know that's where he lived. Now I know something I didn't know before. And we come around here. And we're coming back. And come back. Now this is the Alldocube iPlay 70 Mini Pro. By now, it would have for sure tapped out on the iPlay 50 Mini Pro. Okay, just come on back in the middle of the road. So if it does fall, it falls maybe into the ditch there. That would be good. Okay, there we go. There it is. Come on down. And down it comes. There it is. Dare I try and land this beast? I don't think so. Not on the table anyway. Not with me sitting on it. Let's see what happens here. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on, down we go. Pretty cool. Stop the video. The Alldocube iPlay 70 Mini Pro is now even on sale even more on AliExpress. I paid about $204, $205 Canadian. Now it's on for $198 or something, or even less. There's coupons if you know what to do, blah, blah. I mean, it's not bad at all. And it works with the Hubsan. It works with FEMI. It works with DJI. It works with, Potensic. I haven't tried it with my Mavic Mini, but I know for sure if it works on these and it works on the FEMI, it's going to work on the Mavic Mini as well. Okay, there you go. So till next time, take care. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, buy me a coffee, buy a drone, buy a tablet, buy something, spend some money, have some fun. Bye now.